Hey everybody, it's Angry Birds 354 here. I'm doing a server review. It is called it's called the Creative Build server. And we're gonna do a lot of stuff on it. And so you see people are already saying hi YouTube. So my username is Angry Birds 354. Okay, so I'm building this little medieval village here, and there's this guy named Xeon08 who's just commenting all this stuff, kind of inappropriate. TPA it to me to be in the vid. It's a really nice server. When you spawn, you should be in not this plot world. It should be some different world. It's just a flat world that's kind of really weird looking. But ask an admin or someone to TPA you to the plot world. These plots are freaking huge. Okay, Xeon. Okay, wait, no, not Xeon. Okay, what's his name? Trouble Ninja. So you're on video. Say hi to YouTube. You're on video. Yeah. Say guy. Hi, I mean. So it's a really cool server, and look, these plots are just massive. Like, literally, they're huge. If you will follow me, so yeah, these plots are huge. You're gonna take a little tour of the plot. I'm building this little wall over here, but look at how big these plots are. They're like massive. Got lots of stuff. So /plot me add Trouble Ninja. Wait, I can just spell it. I added you to the plot. So follow. He just fell. So what do you wanna do on YouTube today?
YouTube.
So what do you?
Here, I'll zoom in.
He's gonna chat. Hello. Are you gonna chat back? He's chatting. Well. And that's my username, Wilha. If you see me, I have this skin. It's a Yeti. So how about we build a house? Do as I do.
Just do as I do.
3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2, 3.
What are you doing?
Building the house. Wait, 1, 2, 3. Wait, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so looks like he's helping. This is a great server. It's really.
What is he doing?
I don't know, but just trust him. But it's a great server. It is really cool. I highly suggest you join it. It's a nice staff. It's very friendly. Because trust me, I have been on servers